Hello everyone, this is Khalban from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni Espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak from the group head here. Now when I test the machine I find out the sleeve over there inside was loose. So I took it off. I tied that sleeve after I took off the whole piston and I lubricated. I calibrate the piston again, put it back, and the machine works perfect. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot. Here is it. Here is the group head not leaking at all. And here's the pressure on the machine. It's stable and cool. So there you go. Here is it. This is a great shot coming out of this Pavoni. Look at that. Even with crema, it's rarely to see that great shot from these Pavoni machines. I like to test it without the portafilter. Here is it. There is nothing, no leak after that, but I can do it this way too. So this is, I want a shorter one so I could show. Okay, the machine works perfect and no leak or anything. Let me test the steamer too. That works good. Thank you for watching.